Hello everyone, good evening. Hello. Today's our tutorial is from Rakhi. We will make Rakhi in this type. With molded we will make. You will need moldeds of this type and acrylic paints and satin ribbon, and you can also take stones of this type for decorate it. So let's start. Hello everyone. Hello. So now I am changing my camera angle. You can see it easily. That's why I am changing it. I hope it is clear now. Yeah, we will make Rakhi in this way. First of all, we take moldeds, then we will open it and it contains 2 packets. Open it and mix it in equal quantity. It will be like a stone. Any powder we can take, any talcum powder we can take. Any talcum powder we can take and mix it in equal quantity. Like this, mix it well. You can take any talcum powder and mix it well. We can make 20 Rakhi with this one packet. It is only for 20 rupees. You can easily buy from Banarsi Babu, and if you live in Siwan, you can buy it from Riddhi. Mix it well. Then we make it in round shape like this. We can take any talcum powder. Mix it well. After dry, it will hard like a stone, and we can make easily any design as our choice. We will make it in round shape, then we will press it like this. And now we can cut it with this any lead. We can also use this type of leads for cut it. Like this. We'll make it in round shape. and then it is a small lid, that's why I am using again. We can cut this. Now we will make again one round shape, and then you can take any talcum powder and we will press it. Any lid you can take. We can also use this for cut it in round shape. After dry, it will be like a stone. It is pearl metallic color, and I am using this. Okay, now we will cut it in center. This. Now we will make a peacock with this. First of all, we do this type, then we will make peacock, and you can make other thing as your choice. After dry, it will hard. Now it is very loose, and we can apply on this. Now we will make this wings. We will press here, then we will press here. Then after we can apply on this. But first of all, we need to make this thing. Take a small part, then after we will make it in round shape, then we press one side and press it like this. Previous year I explained you about stones, and but in this year I am explaining about mold it. You can easily buy from Riddhi, Siddhi and Banarsi Babu. It is only for 20 rupees, and you can make 20 piece with this in this lockdown period. Okay, now we will decorate like this. Okay, now we will make its design with any knife. You can take knife and refill and pen. With pen you can make its body design like this. Is it visible? uh, if you want to ask, I can read your message, you can ask me. We will make with this pen back side we can use. In this lockdown period, I think it is not available in market. That's why I am explaining you how to make. We can make design in this type with knife. We can use this refill with make its eye. After dry it will be hard, but it is now it is very loose. Now we can make design with this refill. It is visible. Okay, now it is complete and we will make its being. First of all we do these type things and we will press here, and it is wings, and we will also make design with this. I think you see it. Then we will fix here, apply here. I think it is not dry. After 10 minutes ago, now I am going to make this Rakhi. We will decorate, we will make so many small flowers to decorate it like this. First of all we do this and we will place here. Now we will make like this and like this. For decorate it, we divide it in a small part. First of all we make it in round shape. I can read your message, you can ask me anything. Then we'll place here. I am making this photo Rakhi, and we will place here for making the design. Okay, now we will take a peek of this. It is not dry now, so we will make design on this. First of all we do a circle and we will fix here. Then we will make design of this type. After dry it will be so hard like a stone. And after Rakhi, you will use it like a keyring and locket also. That's why I did it whole here. You can see we can use it as a key ring, and we can also use like a necklace chain. That's why I did it whole here with this pin. I hope you understand. If you want to ask any question, ask me. Okay, now we can also write the name, first letter of the name. We will mix it again, because when after 15 minutes ago it will be dry like a stone. Mix it well. Now it is complete. I think it is ready for me. So we will make so many design as your choice. As your choice, I am making like this, and you can also do other design also. Like this, we will apply on here. We will write a name on this. Any talcum powder you can take to like this, and we can write with directly. I am writing M. And after dry, I will apply on this. M like this. After dry, it will hard. Now I am going to paint on this. We can apply. I am going to apply blue paint. You can apply any color as your choice. So it is fabric paint. Now we can make with this type of face. We can set on this. For your small brother, we can make cartoon. After 10 minutes it will be hard, so do it fastly. If you keep it in a box, it will not dry fastly. Now we will wash my brush and I am using white color with this blue. We can make light sky color with this, and we can also use here green and violet. You can apply any color according to your choice. I am using this color. We will make light sky color with white and blue. After dry, we will place on here like this. It is not dry yet, so now I am using yellow paint on this side. I can read your message. You can ask me if you not understand anything. We can paint it also with. Now we can also apply on this side. You can use any color. It is pearl metallic. It is look like a golden color, pearl metallic, sparkling pearl color. We can use it as a keyring after Rakhi. You can give the gift. Now we can also apply here yellow paint, and it is not dry yet. We will make it with red, and we will make its eye with black color. After washing brush, we will apply some black. And then in center we will apply white paint like this. Okay, so I am coloring this flower with red paint. You can apply any color. can use it after Rakhi as a keyring. You can give. Okay, now uh, we will make orange color with this red and yellow. Like this and like this. Now we will fill yellow paint in this area to cover it. Now we will decorate it with the stones. It is acrylic paint. It is pearl metallic color, and now I am color this nail with this. It is not dry yet. After dry, we can fix it with Fevicol, but I am applying now. Okay. It is golden color. After dry, it will be look like a gold. Okay, now we will decorate it with the stones, and we can make a design with this refill like this. I think it is visible. You can ask me any question. I can read your message. Okay. It is extra. I mixed it and 10 minutes ago. It will be hard, so I am making a simple Rakhi, and we can apply this type of face on this. We will make bhai now. I am writing on this bhai. BH. You can spread it. You can make it again in different way. Okay, now we will write on this B. H A I. Okay, now we will decorate it. So we will take a stones of this type for decorate it, and I am using Fevicol simply. is not dry yet, we can apply on this also. Like this we will decorate it. I can read your message. If you not understand, ask me. We can apply on this area as your choice. If you want, you can decorate it. Otherwise, okay. Now we will fix this figure, this photo. It is not dry yet. Just we will keep on this, and extra part we can cut in this peak. Now we will decorate it. It is not dry yet, that's why it's not need to Fevicol, and we will cut extra part of this peak. And now we will decorate it. We will apply pearl metallic color on this. We can make so many design on this outside corner like this. And it is pearl metallic color. It look like a golden. Bhaiya, now you can cut extra part with this. 5 minutes ago we will keep finishing this. So now we will decorate it with the stones, and it is satin ribbon. It is satin ribbon. Just apply Fevicol here and fix it. It is not dry yet. We can apply stone on this also. not understand anything, ask me. I can read your message. I am able to read. Now I am explaining you. I think you know very well. We will apply whole side, and now I just apply Fevicol and keep this on this. You can make other so many designs on this and decorate it. We will give it finishing. I will send picture after it. It is not dry yet. That's why I am not fix it. So if you want to ask now, give me 1 second. I am changing my camera. If you not understand anything, ask me. Hello, Divyansu. Okay. Ask me any question. Keshav, what? This is molded. Keshav, this is molded, and you can easily buy if you live in Sivan, and you can order online also. You buy from Riddhi Center, Ujjain Market, and Banarsi Babu also. Supriya Kumari, members the comments not available. A little what? Any question? Okay. Okay, happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Goodbye, see you again.